Mechanics of machining. Machining is a metal removal process, which can be accomplished by applying force on the raw material using a cutting tool. This mechanics of machining course aims at explaining the physics of the cutting process. The course will contain a discussion of statics, kinematics, and kinetics of the cutting process. Experimental findings relevant to the mechanics of the process will also be discussed. The course will also include an introductory discussion on non-traditional machining processes. Mechanics of machining course layout Week 1, Deformation of metals, Mechanism of plastic deformation, Machining processes, Single edge tool, Types of chips Week 2, Tool geometry, Single point cutting tool specifications, Conversion of tool angles, Multi-point cutting tools, Mechanics of orthogonal cutting, Force relationships Week 3, Determination of stress, strain, and strain rate, Measurement of shear angle, Other analysis for force relationships Week 4, Mechanics of oblique cutting, Measurement of cutting forces Week 5, Thermal aspects of machining, Temperatures in orthogonal cutting, Tool wear and tool life equations, Economics in machining Week 6, Practical machining operations, Turning and shaping and planning operation, Practical machining operations, Milling and drilling, Grinding of metals and mechanics of the grinding process Week 7, Abrasive machining and finishing operations, CNC machines and CNC programming Week 8, Introduction to advanced machining processes.